Here I have Renault Captur, and let me show you how to enable or disable the active braking on this car. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. From the home screen, all you need to do is use the car icon, and then let's choose here the first section, which is the driving assistance. So right here under the safety tab, you've got access to active braking. If you would like to disable the active braking, all you need to do is just use this switcher, and now you just disable totally the active braking. If you would like to enable it, let's use this switcher again, and here you can also choose the warning anticipation. It could be early, standard, or late. It depends on your choices. In my case, let me leave early. Alright, so that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.